What's going on, guys? It is spectrumgameing and welcome back to another video. I just thought let's just do a random video, and as you can see, I'm doing it on Battlefield right now. I'm not gonna be I'm not gonna be doing it off a webcam or recording it off of the TV. I'm gonna be doing it just like, I guess, a 7-10 minute video showing you how I play, showing you how I dial. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my setup real fast. You can see that's my Xbox, that's my wallet. This is Minecraft. I'm sorry for that. That's my freaking stupid ass uncle. Shut up! See. Yeah, I got my controller right here. It's a regular Xbox controller. I got my little speaker. I had bought it at a yard sale. It works pretty fine. I like it. I have my Beats charger, which I'm using right now for my tablet. I don't have any Beats headphones yet. I'm not going to get any at all because that's just too much money. I'd rather spend $75 on a gaming headset than spend $120 something on some freaking headsets that people like and want to steal. I mean, like, people want to steal gaming headsets all the time, but I mean, like, yeah, continue. I got my little CD cleaner right here. It works magic. I tell you, that is a bad bitch. I have my Minecraft right here. Got my Minecraft. I got several other games. I'm playing Battlefield. I got that. Dead Space. This is just a startup. You know what I'm saying? Then I have other games off in here. Tell me what you like. I got Cane and Lynch. I got Sniper 2. I got Gears of War, but the Gears of War is totaled. Yeah, I got my Madden. And that's it for off in here. So, yeah, that's really all I got for right now. So, I cannot pause the video right now because, I do not know, but tell me what you guys like, and let's just get freaking going, right? Like I said, I'm not gonna be recording this off of a webcam or whatever you call it. It's just gonna be off of my Kindle. And let me put this stuff up. Sorry. Almost there. Don't freaking kill me. At least not yet. Okay. Turn this. Make this super awesome light off. Got my controller. And bitch lights up. And let's get freaking shit. Oh, I need a better gun than this shotgun. Oh, let me see if I can find some ammo. If I can find ammo to the gun, oh yeah, it's gonna be freaking awesome. Okay, where the freaking dead bodies? Where them dead bodies? Where the dead bodies? Oh, the guns despawn. Oh, what a bitch. You're a bitch. You know I had to like kill some over here because I had no scope right here.
That fire just freaking just died out. What the fuck? Please have a better gun than the shotgun. I'm sorry for not talking, I'm really concentrating. I really have this on freaking hard mode. I want to make sure everything is dead. Should I take this? Yeah, I'm gonna leave that big boy behind. I don't need a big boy. I need something lightweight. I'm trying to prioritize my weaponry. So yeah. What's back here? Nothing. Big boy, man, I can't use you nothing efficiently. What about you? You got some on you? If it has a scope on it, I might take it. I don't know. If a big boy has a scope on it, I'm gonna take it. For my primary gun, not my backup gun. Ooh, AK-47. With not that much ammo. Ooh. Let me see if I can find an ammo pack, bro. I swear to God. Please. No, that's a baby. Who's there? Come on, it got to be. It gotta be. Come on. What is that? Is that a shotty? I'll take a shotty. I will take a shotty. Where's the shotty? It only hits freaking 5 ammo. Wow. This is an AK, bro. Oh. And then I got the baby AK. I don't want the baby AK. I want you. And what is? Oh. Ooh. I need the AK. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I gotta get the AK. I know some of you guys hate the AK, but it's mandatory for me to get the AK right now. And you would really, I hope you dudes understand why I need the AK. And I hope you dudes know why I need the AK. In this level, yeah. Fuck it. I feel sorry for them. Oh, I thought it was like back at their fucking house. I'm just checking everywhere, I don't know. I never really checked on my phone. Why are there so many freaking restaurants? How did I freaking die? Well, guys, you know what I say. I say when I die, I'm going to end this video. Let me turn the light on my black ass face. So, guys, yeah, that was me playing Battlefield. Please don't get me wrong with Call of Duty. I really hope you have enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below what you want to do next, and please tell me what you want to do next. Subscribe to my channel, like the video. It's all up to you. I'm just give you the sticks and stones. You go build you a house. So yeah, guys, my name is spectrumgameing, and I will be spectating you later.